Alright dudes, doing cheap fix here on the Ford. I tried to run a die on it, but there wasn't enough room. But this damn clutch master cylinder rod kept falling off even if I'd zip tied it. The clips always broke. So basically what I've done is pre-drilled it out with the 16th bit. Now I'm going to drill it out with like another step up and run a cotter pin through it. And I got these M10 by 30 washers, pretty good sized washers. So I'll have a washer on and a cotter pin because I'm tired of the zip ties. Tired of this thing popping off at terrible locations and having to try to fix it real quick outside the truck. So basically I loosened the 13 mil, the two 13 mil nuts on the firewall on the opposite side to loosen the master cylinder. So we got that going. See, I drilled out that little, ended up going up to 1/8 inch. Might have been a little greedy, but we'll see how it works long term. Drilled it out, sticking a washer on it, and attempt to run a cotter pin through it because the zip ties kept breaking. So anyways, got my cotter pin through with the washer. Then we'll go tighten the master cylinder back in place. I just had the nuts loose on it, so I just kept it so it was there nice and loose so I could still keep the rod on it just to make sure where it's gonna line up. So button that up. No more master cylinder flying off at the wrong fucking time. So nothing too pretty, but that's it.